Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, it looks like Ukabisile decides to protect her baby, you guys, and decides to tell the truth. One of the things we're going to be seeing on this week on Umkhokha the Curse, we see Ukabisile sitting down with Umprofeti Uspotria, and she tells him, Baba, uqinisile nginemfihlo okumele ngiyitshele ekumele ngitshele ubaba, speaking about ubaba wakhe that she needs to tell her father. Then we see another scene where ngempela uGabi is with her father and she's telling her father ukuthi yimo wabulala umthembu baba. And then ubaba wakhe is like uthini Kabsile. Kabsile goes on to spill out the skata and say ukuthi uma wangithuma ukuthi ngifake ushef emanzini kamthembu. Guys, it looks like Ubabu Difa is going to faint or something like that, because on the teasers that I wrote, I saw somewhere where they were saying Ubutu Mamzobe is trying to wake up her husband and hopes Ubutu, when her husband wakes up, Ubutu, he doesn't remember anything that Ukabisile told him. I'm just like, you're shame this man. I shame the guys. That's when you get married. Hey, Bo. Melu zithanda zise lezi zinto, guys. Pray over it, discern it. Uzothatha umfazi kanti umuntu is just isikhwehlakalo somfazi, is a witch or something like that. Look at Ubabu Difa, guys. The situation he's in. It's once kaka after once kaka. At this point, I don't even know if he's going to make it. But listen, Umamzobe's time, guys, has come to an end, you guys. And Ukabsile said this time, you know what? I'm going to choose to save my child's life. Guys, I don't know why Ubuti, when the season is getting finished, coming to an end, they are closing it off with a bang. And listen, this is what Umkhokha the Curse said. They said a dancer knows when to bow out. So I guess even though people are saying, Uti, why is it ending now? They are saying, Uti, it's best for us to end on this note than to continue, whereas there's no storyline from them. But anyway, we'll see which show gets to replace it. But listen, the pressure is on. We will see, guys, this week ukuthi ayibo wenzakalani and how Umamzobe is going to treat Ukabsile, or how she's going to take the fact that Ukabsile confessed to her father. Kodwa uMamzobe yazi she undermines amandla of the holy ones, guys. Because why did she think it was a good idea for Ukabsile to go and stay Umprofeti omkhulu at that time? Did she not think ukuthi he's going to see something, or this is going to backfire? Hey, Bo. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.